classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and today we're still in the hallways of Rainbow High. This is series 3, Sheryl. Now Sheryl, her focus in school is, according to the side of her box, her focus is textile design focus. I love that now. This is actually raised. I don't know if I've mentioned that before, like if you feel it. So her detailing is textiles. So she loves textiles, different fabrics and feels. One thing about Sheryl, she's into the feels of it all. So let's go over her accessories. Sheryl comes with this yellow cool comb. Of course, she comes with a stand, and she comes with these 2 hangers. One says Rainbow High, one has the R and the H. And of course, she comes with the secondary outfit, which we are going to go into. But first, let's holler at our homegirl, Sheryl. Now, originally, Sheryl, I wanted to get her for one reason and one reason only. Because on the show, she kind of had an clueless outfit. Now they've revamped her, given her an updated look, so she does not have the exact clueless look, but it's close enough. You know, this is the closest to a clueless doll we'll probably get. Also, she's the first one out of the girls I've reviewed to feature earrings. But before we jump into those details, let's look over Sheryl. This is her first look, and then let's go over this hair. It's beautiful, full, thick so far, and you know I keep it real over here. Out of all the girls, this is the thickest of root. I don't know if it's because this hair was easier for them to get, but this has been the thickest of a rooting, and the curls are angelic. You know, it's just she looks good. Okay, if we go into her face, she does feature a brown eye. She has the gold and brown eye makeup, nice thick eyebrows. Now, yes, I have to talk to you guys about her lips. I'm gonna learn to love how her lips look, but just know there are 3 variants of Sheryls on the market. There's one with this lip, there's one with this lip color without the outline, and then there's a Sheryl with like a pale pink lip. I really wanted that pale pink lip, but didn't get it, didn't have it. So didn't get it, but I'm gonna learn to love what I have. This is her Rainbow High earrings, and of course it drops into a pearl. Love it. She comes with this jacket, this belt, a shirt underneath, and a double pleated skirt. MGA is not playing with us with these fabrics. When you look into her nails, they are that high yellow color. Also, back to the earrings for a second, they do have a pearlescent shine to them. I don't know if my camera will get it, but they're kind of pearlescent. And then you go down, she has on these knee-high socks or knee-high stockings going down to her heels, which are like a pale yellow, almost cream. And she has a brown heel at the bottom. Her pearls on the back, if you guys look close enough, do have the R and the H on it. She also has those ribbon details in the front. So overall, Sheryl's aesthetic is beautiful. Oh my god, I just can't get over this hair. It's beautiful. So, oh, and also at the bottom of her earring, she has those gold dots. These dolls do retail for $27.88. I did find my Sheryl at Walmart. Now, we've talked enough about this first outfit. Let's see what Sheryl's second outfit is going to be given. We are back, and we have Sheryl in her secondary look. And I kind of have a lot to say about my homegirl Sheryl. But first, I'm not going to dig too deep up in Sheryl. I'm not going to dig too deep. But the first thing I am going to say is that the fact that I do enjoy Sheryl. Sheryl has a special place in one's heart because she is a doll that features a brown eye. And I'm a girl who can appreciate that. She has like this golden brown hazel chestnut type of eyeball. And that's the same type of eyeballs I have. So for that point, I respect you. But I gotta break down this outfit, boo. I really do. I don't know. I think they just needed to give her a secondary look. Since they wanted to go with this princess theme, why not give her a gown or something? Like, okay. So she comes with this headband, which says rainbow. It's cute. Everything you see here is a secondary piece. Is a solo piece. So this vest you can match up with something else. Even this shirt is a separate piece, and so is the skirt. Now let's start with the shoes. The shoes are nice. Simple to me, nice. The colors to me should have been different because this matches too closely to her skin. So like from a distance, it almost looks like an unfinished, unpainted type of heel. That's just my opinion, that's just my opinion. This is the bottom. Going up to her skirt, I have a lot to say about this skirt because this skirt is ripped. Mine's actually ripped. I don't know if it was the T-ties I cut or something like that. Mine's is actually ripped, but if you fold it up, you can't really tell. The skirt does give me Versace feels, so it's kind of give you the illusion of a Versace skirt, everything like that. Really, really cute. Now this oversized button down, maybe it would give me something different if I tucked it under. Actually, let's do that really quickly because I thought about that and I didn't do it. I said I wanted to show you guys how it looked in some of the promo pictures, but let's see if we actually tucked it in. Maybe that'll give me something different because Sheryl, I'm trying to save you, girl. I'm trying to save you in this review, so my storm dolls don't eat you up. I'm trying to save you, girl. Let's tuck this shirt in. Let's see what it's going to be giving. Because as of right now, I'm half impressed with the first look. Now, the first look did feature some pieces that I'm going to mix and match. Look at me trying to get this together. So this is kind of what it would look like tucked in. Let me see. Sheryl, it's just, oh Lord. Now the sweater I like. The sweater has the same writing as the headband. Now the only thing is this is bulky. Let me show you. I could barely get this closed in the back because the shirt has a thick Velcro piece and then this has a thick one. Really couldn't get it closed. Her earrings have been falling out, and it's because if you guys notice with the pin, with the pin it's very short. I don't know if it's going to show you guys. So when you plug it in, it's literally that's it. You can't really push anymore. Something I wanted to show you guys with her first look, for anyone who doesn't know, this is what the shirt looked like underneath. It just says rainbow, but it looks really nice. It's crisp and it's clean. I really, really like that. And then this is what the skirt piece looked like. Now when this was on her alone, this was kind of giving. It was kind of cute. But Sheryl, I got to keep it real. I think they did you greasy when it came to these looks. So I'm not actually sure how I'm going to dress my Sheryl in the final review. Now these dolls are $27.88. I got them from my local Walmart. What do I think of Sheryl overall? I love her brown eyes. I love her thick rooting. So far, out of the 3 girls I reviewed, I'll bring them over so you guys can understand my point of view. These girls came to not play this series, and she's up against a few heavy hitters. If you guys don't know, I did review the other girls in this line. You guys want to go back and check out those reviews if you haven't already. Looking at these other girls and then glancing at Sheryl. Sheryl, what you giving? Yes, it's something different. Sheryl, what's poppin', boo? Out of these girls, I instantly glance at Sheryl because I almost want to do this. That's what I almost want to do because, I'm going to help her out. Some way I'm going to give her a decent look because I really love her eye. It's nothing wrong with the fantasy eyes. Like, her eyes are like ice blue. Her eyes are purple and green. And hers are like green and marigold. Is it marigold? What is that color called? The pinky color. It's like that. Now, to have a doll with a natural color eye, I really like that. Hers are natural too. But I really like that, So I'm really fighting for Sheryl. But I also have to keep it real for anyone who wants to buy her, anyone wants to get her as a gift. She's a very beautiful doll, beautiful eyes. She has the articulation. She's giving, But watch out for that skirt. And watch out for Was there anything else? Oh no, just me talking about the shoes. They should have been a different color. I want to thank everyone who watched today. I hope you guys don't think I was bashing Sheryl. Cheryl's still my homegirl. If I throw a party, Sheryl is still invited. You know, I'm just gonna send someone to dress her. But you know, Sheryl, hey girl. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below and let me know, do you think I was too harsh on Sheryl? She's very pretty. She's giving me what I need, but I think I just need to, kind of, maybe just play around with her look a little, because she gives me fantasy princess / school student a little bit, Sheryl, it's actually not that bad, like Sheryl. I mean, she just looks like she would say, hello, what would you like to eat today? Like, she gives me your meals on a platter and she's serving it to you, Well, I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember, I will see you guys on my next video. Sheryl, who are we going to review next? I don't know, but according to you, I hope she has style. Well, hey, there it is. I'll see you guys next time.